What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Steve's World TV. I have a simple card trick for you using 1, 2, 3, 4 playing cards. Check this out. I have here 2 queens and 2 fours. I'm going to place the 2 fours on the table. There's one, and here is the 4 clubs, the other one. If I give it a little snap, you see they change places. I now have the fours in my hands, and on the table we've got the queens. Now that was just an illusion. If you want to see what an illusion looks like, you see the entire time I've actually only had queens. The queen of diamonds. Check this out. I give a little shake, I've got a queen of diamonds there, queen of diamonds there, and a queen of diamonds there. And I'll put the queen of diamonds all on the table now. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and with a little snap, I have the queens here and the fours back on the table. And that's one of the easiest tricks you can do. Okay, so here is the explanation to the 4 card trick. All you need are 4 duplicate cards, and in this case, I've got 2 fours and 2 queens. Now you need to alternate them so you've got 4 queen, 4 queen. Whichever cards you use, they just need to be alternated. The first move you need to learn is this one here. Is you take your pinky, you hold the cards here in mechanic's grip, and you slide down with your pinky. Okay, watch carefully. You slide it down to reveal the 4. Why do we need to do that? Because as we turn our hands over, we're doing that move to put the 4 on the table. Okay, that creates the illusion the queen's going on the table. So it comes down, and that one's actually coming out. Let's do that again. So as my hand goes face down, I've done the move, and on the table goes the 4. Okay, so the queen's still here, we've got a 4 there. We then execute a double lift. Now here's the easiest way to pull off a double lift with only 4 cards. Well, in this case we've got 3 left in my hand. Instead of trying to pick up 2 with the other hand, you can actually do it with one hand. So use your pointer finger and just pull down on that bottom card, and that will give you 2 cards right there. Okay, so we pull down with the pointer, just like that, and we turn them over as 1. Okay, it's a double lift, so we've got 2 cards there. I'll do that again for you. So we use the pinky, we use our pointer finger, pull down, grab those 2 cards and flip them over, creating the illusion that we're now putting the other queen on top of the other one. You snap, and obviously you've still got the queens here, and on the table you have the 2 fours. That's the first phase. The next phase is you take the 2 queens, you put them on top of the 2 fours, so that you've got 4, 4, queen, queen. This time you're going to transfer the cards over into this position, okay? So you hold it with your thumb and your right middle finger, and you're going to show the bottom card, and you're going to say to them, that was all just an illusion, and this is what an illusion looks like. You shake the cards to create a bit of magic, I suppose you can put it that way. And then what you do is you take the top card, show the bottom. Take the top card, show the bottom. Take the top card, and then you take that one out. And that obviously looks like you've just shown every single card as a queen of hearts. The next move is you take the queens, okay, so you take the cards are in that position after you've shown them all to be the same. You take the top card, which will be the queen, and you put the 2 queens on the bottom, okay? They go on the bottom. And now you're going to do the same move we did before, but this time it's a triple lift. So use your pointer finger and pull down on that bottom one and do a triple. And you're going to say, look, here are all the queens again. You flip it over and put the queen down. If they think it's the queen, you do a double, that same move. You show the queen, you put it down, and you put it on top. And you say, look, they're all queens. If I snap, you see I have the queens back here and the fours over there. And that is how you do the 4 card trick. It's really easy. If you practice the double and triple lift with just your pointer finger, it's such an easy way to pull this off. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. There will be a card trick every single week. I know I haven't made a video for a few weeks, but I promise you, I am back. I hope you enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like to see more card tricks like this. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.